this is 25, right? I can split this under the next two topics of going on, which is 4. I can split this into square root of 25 times square root of b raised to the power of 4. So now square root of 25 is 5 times square root of b raised to the power of 4. You can just split it into b raised to the power of 4 now. Square root means 1 over 2. This 2 was what became the root. Then the 1 here is just showing anything raised to the power 1 is that thing. Is anybody that's confused about what I just did now? Anybody?
Somebody's coming.
Okay. Let me clean this part. Now, I can rewrite this as square root of 25 times square root of b raised to the power of 4. When you have two things multiplying or adding themselves, according to a rule called commutative property, and I've explained it before. Do you remember what commutative property is? Okay, quickly, let me just do it because it was one of our earliest class. I don't think everybody here was there. Commutative property is a property whereby the order of something doesn't matter. The total will be the same. For example, if I have 2 plus 3 to give me 5, if I write 3 plus 2 it will give me 5. That's commutative. That means addition is commutative. If I have 1 plus 3 to give me 4, I change the order to say 3 plus 1, it will still give me 4. So for commutative property, which only occurs for addition and multiplication, let me also prove for multiplication that it is commutative. For example, if I have 3 times 2, it will give me 6. If I change the order to say 2 times 3, it will still give me 6. So this is still what? Commutative. Do we understand? All right. But for other operations like subtraction, it is never commutative. 6 minus 4 is 2. If you change the order, 4 minus 6 becomes minus 2. They are not the same. So it is not commutative. So for commutative operations, which is only 2 anyways, times and plus, when you have them, you can break them. So that means, for example, since the rule says for commutative, if I have 3 plus 2, you cannot break it into, say, square root of 3 plus square root of 2. They will never give you the same answer. Because this operation here. What?
I can't see screen.
I think it must be, but okay, let me just try and see if I can access by resharing and sharing. I will share my screen. All right. Are you seeing it?
No, sir.
And there must be the problem of your network over there. All right, so let's. I'm just silently waiting for your network to come back on. So let's go on. For those of us, is it back? Adam, are you here? Okay, let me just continue now. Square root of 25 is 5. There's no issue with that. Now this is b raised to the power of 4. Now I can just quickly say square root of b raised to the power of 4. What number will multiply itself to give me b raised to the power of 4? The answer is b raised to the power of 2. Because from the law of indices, b raised to the power of 2 times b raised to the power of 2, I told you. When you have the same base, you pick 1. This is 2. This is 2. Times looks like what operation? Plus. And the second one here is 2. So it will give me b raised to the power of 4. That means the square root of b raised to the power of 4 will be b raised to the power of 2. But let's prove it, let's prove it. Let's see, assuming that it is not obvious. So this square root here is 1 over 2. Do we agree? Because this 2 here is what became this square root. And this 1 here, anything raised to the power 1 is that same thing. So it doesn't change anything in the box. Is that true? Understand? Okay, let me review it again. Now, I believe this first part will be clear. There will be no issues with that first part, right? All right. Now, square root from what we've just seen, what operation will lead to square? For example, if I have a raised to the power of 1 over 2, what will it become? The one below will become root. 2 is below, so it becomes square root of a raised to the power of the one above, which is 1. Now, a raised to the power of 1 will still be a, so it does not change this. Let me take another example. If I have 3 raised to the power of, or let's say 9, I can just erase myself thinking. All right, let's say I have 9 raised to the power of 1 over 2. This 2 below becomes square root, then 9 carries its power of 1. 9 raised to the power of 1 is still 9, does not change what was written here. Do you understand? So that means whenever you see square root, what operation can I say gives birth to square root? I can still write this my b raised to the power of 4, then I'll now have my 1 over 2. That's what became the square root over my b raised to the power of 4. This one became the square root, then this one will not change my b raised to the power of 4. You get it? Is it clear? All right. So going on, this now give me 5 times 2 here 1, 2 here 2, b raised to the power of 2. So my final answer is 5b squared as the answer. Do we get it?
Is the 1 over 2 that I'm confused about?
Okay. Were you there when we explained it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So since that you didn't get that one, let me retry using that method. Okay. Because I know somebody joined. No, I just want to be sure it was not you. All right. Let's say, for example, okay, not even let's say, this is the scenario we are in. Right? This is square root. Right? Now what I can do is this. This square root, what does the root show me? That there's what? A root. Remember, root is the one below of 2, true or false, but this is square root. If it was cube root, it would be 3. But since it is square root, it will be 2. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Automatically, what will be the power above here? 1. Because 1 is the only power that will not change what is here. Because b raised power of 4 is what is here, right? And it's not to be unchanged. The only thing it tells us about is that it has what? The square. Oh, wait. I just saw something now. Nice. Okay, I believe you get it using this method. Now remember what I said about the fractional index law. I said the one above, because this is square root of base power of 4. Good, I'm just saying that. I said the one below becomes the root, right? So that means since this is square root, the one below will be 2. The one above becomes the power. So what must have been above? 4. You understand it?
Yes, sir.
All right. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So it will give me b raised to the power of 2, which is what I had here. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. I'm still asking.
Oh, okay. But it's just that normally, because you still have to know this one of square root. When you see square root over a particular power, that is just trying to tell you that that number was raised to the power of 1 over 2. So this is, for example, b raised to the power of 3, right? Then it was raised to the power of 1 over 2. If you see multiply it, you get b raised to the power of 3 times 1 is 3, then over 2, which still validates the law. Because this one below became the root, and this one above became the power. You get it?
Yes, sir.
All right. So please, when you're writing, let me know when you're done, so that we will not just waste the time we have. So math is easy, isn't it? Who is laughing? Who is that? Deji, I think that was you, right?
Yes, sir.
Why were you laughing?
With what you said, I say math is easy.
It's not easy.
The way you are taking it, some part of it is easy, but when you are going deeper, it becomes difficult.
Okay, let's say most part of it is easy. Let's just agree there. Okay, so what part of it for you is difficult? Network. No, no, can't be by network. I see the surgery.
Yes, sir, I'm still writing.
All right. So I said, what part of it is difficult?
When it comes to all this division,
Which one? You mean quadratic equation, polynomial, calculus, integration? Which one?
exactly.
But don't worry. Anyway, don't worry now. Thank God it's Jamb you're writing. So at least I will show you some shortcuts around some of those
Okay, sir.
topics. All right. Let's take one. Should I make it complex? Okay, let's make it complex. Cube root of 8 all raised to the power of 3. Who can solve it and give me an answer? Rabbi, are you there? Sorry, is it Rabbi or Adamu? Or need to be sure everybody's following. Okay, it's the same person, Adamu Rabbi. Are you there? Oh my God, it's not you. It's all right. It's all right. So who can try this? I believe we must be trying it. Um, we should have our answers by now. Amara, are you there? And they just give me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Seju, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, by now we should have our answers. Remember, speed plus accuracy. There's something I'm seeing. Oh. Anyway, let me just tell you. There's just one step you can take that would eliminate all the unnecessary part of this question. Because looking at it, I'm seeing that the answer should be 8. Let me just show you the simple way. When you see a power and it is repeated as a root, they will cancel themselves. So the answer is 8. But let's solve, then I'll now explain it to you. So when you see something like that, it will be shorter for you. For example, now, when you say power and its square root being the same, it's just like taking 3 steps forward, 3 steps backward. Where would you end up? You end up back where you started. Let's say I started here. I took step 1, step 2, and step 3. This is my step 3, right? If I take 3 steps backwards, step 1, step 2, step 3, I'm back where I started, right? All right, now follow me. Let me use that illustration here. Now we are told to look for the cube root of 8 to power of 3. Now watch this. What is cube root? Cube root is saying what number will be raised 3 times. True or false? So in looking for the cube root, what particular number is being raised 3 times? It is 8. So cube will cancel what? Cube root. also look at it from the power from the place of three, from the place of the power. All right. So I have cube root of 8 raised to the power of 3. Now, power of 3 means that 8 will multiply itself 3 times. True or false? Now, cube root will now say what number multiplies itself 3 times. That means it's just like saying when you raise yourself to the power of 3, which number raises itself to the power of 3? So it is like what? Saying 3 steps forward, 3 steps backward. When you raise to the power of 3, go back to the number that raised itself 3 times. So what number is that? 8. That means in similar fashion, if you have something like square root of 4 raised to the power of 2, what will it give me? Square will cancel square root. The answer will be 4. Is that correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Because square is 2.
Yeah, because square is 2. Square is that you raise yourself twice. Then square root now asks is what raised itself twice is just 4. So square goes forward 2 times. Square root takes you back 2 times. So you're back to the number 4. You get me? But let's solve it using indices and let's just see. All right, because this one is why I'm giving you this is that I'm confident that you're not showing working. It's UTM, you just write. You just solve, get your answer, you click it in among the options. So I have cube root of 8 always with power of 3. Now, you have to also be smart when you're solving because the kind of calculator they give me is not the calculator where I want to be doing 8 times 8 times 8. So what I'll do is that instead I'll first look for cube root of 8. Just like square root, say what number will multiply itself 2 times. Cube root is asking what number will multiply itself 3 times. So cube root of 8 is asking what number will multiply itself 3 times to give me 8. What number is that?
2.
2, right? Then you raise it to power 3 here. 2 to power 3 is how many? 1, 2, 3, which is 8. Same answer. For your short answer. So do we get it? All right, that's cool. Very cool. Okay. Are we right? Okay. Waiting. Math is very, very well. Very well. You're not giving me a reply now. I want us to be on the same mind. Very yeah. Once you get the principle, it becomes easy to solve it. But sometimes, I notice, have you ever occurred to maybe they're doing a question, be like, oh no, maybe your teacher you say it's not, it's difficult, it's different from the one you gave us. And then when it is being solved, you just like, oh, really, was that the way? Because sometimes the principles are not just like if you are taught sound, you say A, letter A gives A for apple. And then I ask you A for dash, and then the answer is supposed to be and. You'll be like, oh, but what he told us is apple. So usually that's just the only time where it looks as though math is difficult. When maybe that principle is applied in a different way, but still the same principle. And that's why the best way to gain mastery in mathematics is to repeatedly solve a lot of questions. So that based on that pattern, no matter how the questions are being bent or how the rules are being, just like how I put it, reshuffled, you'll be able to recognize it and say, come on, I've seen this somewhere. That's how I always encourage, especially if you have a textbook, please do well to go back, solve as many as you can. No matter the format in which the question comes, you do say it before. So can I move out of this page? I think I even need to start deleting all these pages. All right. So these pages from months ago, I need to clear them. All right. So just give me time. I want to delete all these pages so that I don't know which time I'll delete them later. All right, let's take another new one. So now I want to do what I just said. I want to give us a different way in which this principle is now going to appear. I hope will not complain. So help me and solve this. 27 raised to the power of minus 2 over 3. All right, I want us to try this. But of course, since I'm not giving you, if you like me to try it first, there is no problem. I have a series of examples. I have many. I have over 100 questions here.
Try to.
I should try it first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Why did you shout Jesus? Somebody shouted Jesus. Who is that? I believe that's a man. So nobody said Jesus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank God. Jesus for us. Yes, that is for us already. So all right, let's do this. Now this negative here is showing me that there's a fraction, right, of 27 carrying all its powers. Is this clear first of all? Is it? Talk now, so I will know if I can go forward or if there's any confusion.
Yes, sir. You can minus sign represents one fraction.
Yes. So this is a fraction of 27 now carrying the power of 2 over 3. Now basically, what I said is the one below becomes the root, so this will be cube root of 27. Then the one above becomes the power. Now, like I said, you have to be smart. So I can't begin 27 raised to the power of 2. I can do that. You can do 27 raised to the power of 2 and then find the cube root. But don't forget, I'm solving on that Jamb scenario. They won't give you a calculator that involves that actually will be able to find square root. So I have to make sure that I do what will be easier for me. So in this case, what will be easier? Let me paint this blue out. What will be easier will be to find the cube root of 27. So this will be 1 over. Now, what is the cube root of 27? What number will multiply itself 3 times to give me 27?
Series.
3. Very good. Excellent. Smart. So this is 3. Then don't forget the power of 2 outside. So it's now be 1 over 3 to the power of 2 is how many?
9.
Very good. Excellent. So do you see that it was not hard? It's hard, right? Any questions on it?
It's just the final answer, 1 over 9.
Yes, that was the answer.
How about the series, the cube root?
We've used the cube root already. Let me read my pen. My pen does. Just pull it out. Okay, good. So here's what happened. Now watch again as I resolve it. Okay. So this is 1 over, still remaining 1 over. Then the one below here, 3. What does it happen to the one below? Just like the root of a tree below. It becomes the root, which is cube root of 27. Then the one above, which is 2, becomes the power. So we've used the 3. Is it clear? All right. So we now have this cube root of 27. What is it? What is the cube root of the number 27 first? It is 3. Then it's raised to a power here, which is 2. Then raise it to the power of 2. It will now be 1 over 9. I think it must be clear now.
Please come again without 1 all over 3 raised to the power 2.
Wait, where is?
1 all over 3 raised to power 2. That's the answer.
Wait, I'm checking to write this here.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah.
The one under, yes, sir.
All right. Now watch. This is 1 over. This is cube root, first of all, of the number 27. What's cube root of the number 27? It is 3. Then there's a power here of that result. So it is raised to power 2 here. So I raise it to power 2. This is now 1, my 1. 3 raised to power of 2 is now 9. So the final answer is 1 over 9. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. So now this theory now is after this cube root here now. Nothing happened to it.
Yes, not happen. It's just indicating that, normally when you see this sign right from junior school, this is square root. It's just indicating that, oh, yes. All right. That's just indicate what I'll do. All right, so we have 2 minutes. Okay, let me keep 3. Two minutes. A. Okay. We have A. Is that not? Okay. A for a man. Then did you? KG, a time is awful. It's already 10 minutes. It's already 8:53.
I didn't have any option among all these 4 options. I did find it.
Oh, yeah.
The answer I've got is 1.
Okay. It's not there, but it could be it's close. Okay, let's start. First of all, 2 is power 0. Okay, let me just write the question here. Alright, so first of all, 2 is power 0. Anything is power 0 is 1, provided that this is not 0. Plus, now this negative here No, I showed us a short note about it. This negative here is going to cause an impact, right? If you remember. Anyways, let me not use the short word here. Usually what we start with. Let's just do it normally. This negative here will be fraction of 4 we carry power of 1 over 2.
So I can't hear you.
Is it clear? Let me move on. So my get one go.
Yeah, please.
Upward. Okay, yeah. So in the next class we'll deal with in detail equation and that will be all. But at least we're trying on this one. I need to scroll up.
Exactly.
So the best way to write it is the way you understand it. Like maybe from here to this place, you may need to write it as, like for example, you don't have to write it the way I write it. You can write it the way you best understand. Maybe if you need to write adding the fraction or using the LCM or something, yes, just before writing this way. Stay allowed.
Yeah. After
Yes.
multiplying, but you don't need to be in brackets again, right?
Of course, of course. I just left in the bracket so you know that because we think in bracket as use that power. Yes. You don't need to be in bracket. Let me see if there's a signal in Jamb. Are we through?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay, let me take one more. So, call it a night. So, keep on Jamb. 1983, 1983, question 42. So here's the question. Just find the cube root of 27 a raised to the power minus 9 all over 8. Now, should I give you the options? No, I believe you will get it. What do you mean? Like it's like a bit there. Is it tricky? Is it tricky?
Is it 27, 9?
Yeah, no, 27 a raised to the power minus 9. So like I say, is it tricky? Do I do it? I want to try it. So the options are having 9 over something. All the options. Okay, no, one is having 3 over something. That, let me just give you one. 9 over something, 3 over something. And what the options are.
Let's give it a try.
All right, I like that. Wait, how about the rest? Was it able to come back? Then was able to come back. Okay. having any problem? So hard. Okay, so what's the answer? Well, I thought I heard Guatro already. Oh, I'm sure already. No.
Not from you. Maybe I'm alright too.
Okay, I'm right. I heard that, but I'm sure already. Okay, is there any challenge?
The all over eight. That's when you right. That's all over
Oh,
eight.
okay, let's challenge the challenger. Let's challenge the challenger. Okay, let's do it together. Okay. Now this will be cube root of 27. Now, a with the power of minus 9 is the same thing now. 1 all over. Now this, I can write it as 27 over 8, right? Times a with the power of minus 9. You get me? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So this now gives me cube root of 27 over 8 multiplied by, now this negative here is telling me 1 over 8 raised to the power of 9. Are we getting it? Now looking at this, there was something I said earlier. I said for commutative properties or commutative signs, which are only two, plus or minus. Once you have square and once you have a root over, then you can break it. So I can break this into cube root of 27 over 8 times cube root of 1 over a raised to the power of 9. Is that correct? So which can now be cube root. Now everything here will change. Now cube root of 27 is 3 over cube root of 8 is 2. Do we get that out? Do we get that out? Alright. So this will now be times. Now cube root of 1 is 1 over. Now I don't know the cube. Let me just assume I don't know the number of multiply itself 3 times to give me a raised to the power of 9. So I'll still write it as cube root of a raised to the power of 9. Now why I'm taking this longer step is that I want us to get exactly flow and read the answer. Because I still believe that a time will come when you'll be able to, because normally from here we could have gotten to this step. But of course, you have to take this now. A time will come when you'll have mastered this and you can now be able to just fly. So now this is now 1 over. This is then saying a to the power of 9. Now remember what I told you about the choice was third root. It was supposed to be third root. Why is it not showing very well? Okay, just manage this one. Alright, so this now be, now third root should be the same as saying, now this root below, now let's just be applying it like that. This root here is the one below, true of course, that third root here. Then this 9 here is the power above. Please don't, here's 9, and let me just write it. You don't think it is 8. 9. You get it? Are we seeing it together? Okay. Let me also indicate it that this is 9 and that one too is 9.
This is now 3 over 2 times 1 over a raised to the power of 9 divided by 3 is 3. So combining it, I will now have 3 times 1, 3 over 2 a raised to the power of 3. So this is the answer. Is it simple?
What is 8? What happened to the 8?
You have already looked for the cube root of 8 here. Yeah, cube root of 27, 3. Cube root of 8, 2.
Okay.
So it was easy, right?
If you need to scroll, please let me know. And if you are confused at any point, also let me know. You say you're not saying one. What? I can't hear you. Okay, sorry. Cube root of 27 times 3 is 4 minus 9 all over 8. If you need to scroll, just let me know when you're at that point.
Sir, this
Yeah?
list of you wrote three cube root a on a raised power of 9. So what did I don't understand. That
What line?
now it's just the power of
Sorry, come again. Are you talking of this one? What? Just call it by the color. Green, blue, pink, which? What point? What is which of the color? KJ, right there. KJ, are you there? Okay. KJ,
so my phone is down.
Okay. But what part are you asking us to do? Oh, you know what? I will just uh oh, it is unfortunate that you know but okay. From that enter the part. Are you through, Amara? Are you there, Teju? Teju. Okay. Right. I believe you have gotten everything. All right. So I want to notice that from the older years, like from 1970s, 1980s, the questions are usually different from proper. So if you can be able to, since you have the past question, what year is it the ones that take just 10 years back, or you bought the individual series? Okay, like from which year to 2024? Okay, 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 back 17. Okay, that's good, man. That means you have access to reading these questions. Yeah, for me, I'm already gotten a list of those questions, like, topic by topic. All right. We say you saw this particular question. Okay, but what happened? You said, but it's hard. That's part of what I was saying. Like, I noticed from the pattern of the question, in those days they were solving how many questions? 50 questions. So they were tougher compared to now, based on the fact that we have more people writing Jamb exams. So the kind of like can't set much questions and tougher questions due to limited time and more people are enrolling to write GPM every year. So if you observe, if you go down the years, down 2000, you notice that questions are less complex and much more easier to go down. So at least the reason why I bring these ones are at least because they are like harder not to crack. So if you can crack them, then the more recent years it's very easy. So what I would just give as a assignment is you solve the questions on NDC on the more recent years
Then if there's any problem, of course, you bring it to the Telegram. All right. So have you tried maybe solving one free on your own? No. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? Um, Let me check a little bit. So I want you to first change it on your own, and you tell me the score. I think 24 now, the mathematics question, just solve it on your own, and tell me what you got over 40. Yes. Yes, all the question 1 to 4. Then you not tell me how many you got. Oh. We've not gone far in terms of but at least, just to know at least your theory. It's just like the self-evaluation. Because I know we've not gone far, we've only covered this topic. So I understand, but just try it on your own. So when should I be expecting the feedback? Ah, okay. Like when we return that tomorrow. I did get to say yeah, but I know now. That's why I said okay. You should just do the math later in the afternoon. Yes, I can. Yes. Well, you say it's not specific. Like what do you mean? The pages are not well defined. Okay, pick any year of your choice. Pick any year in the 2020. More recent year, the most recent year that you can find is 2022. Then solve it. Maybe 2023, 21, 20, anyone. Just solve 2020. All right. I'll be expecting feedback tomorrow night. Maybe. All right. If there's any problem, just indicate on the Telegram. But did you understand what we did so far? All right. So see you in the next class. So there's no question, right? All right. So take care. Enjoy your night. Happy studying. All right. Yeah, bye bye. Good night.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Chike. Thank you, Amara.
Yeah,
Thank.
thank God.
All right, thank you very much. All right, good night, everybody.
Yeah, good night, mom. So I'll go and attend to that question.
All right, in the next class, physics class, we'll be using Google Meet. Due to the issue that I'm having with Google, I'm not able to like record through Google. So I'm live streaming. Okay, so I'll send this video now to the students so they can watch on
Okay.
YouTube and download. All right, so they can
Okay.
download on YouTube and be able to watch offline. So that's why I'm live streaming so I can help them watch offline. All right, thank you
Okay.
very much. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, good night, mom.
Good night. All right, thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining us tonight. And if you want to join our online UTMA classes, because the classes have been on since October 2nd, we have more students in the class, but most of them are not present. Most of them are not present tonight. So that's the sense of recording. After this live, I'm going to send the link to the lesson, link of this live to them because I'm not going to make it public. It's for them. So after this live, I'm going to send the link to them. Those of them who miss the class, they'll be able to watch later and they'll be able to download the lesson. So if you want to join us, okay, send me a WhatsApp message. Send me a WhatsApp message on this number 09027019103. Let me say that again. 09027019103. Send me a WhatsApp message and join us today. And the fee is just 2,000 naira per subject per month. And we have teachers of every subject. We have teachers of every subject: chemistry, we've seen mathematics, we have physics, we have government, we have CRS, and I'm the one handling use of English. So we have teachers of every subject. If you're preparing for JAM UTM next year, you should really join us today. Join us today. It would be nice for you to keep attempting JAM UTM when you can actually just pass JAM UTM in first attempt. Join us today and ace your JAM UTM next year. Thank you very much for joining me tonight, and hopefully I will see you again. I don't know when I will see you again, but maybe I'll live stream our biology class. I'm not sure, but maybe I'll live stream it. All right, thank you very much for joining me tonight. I will see you guys again another day. Thank you and bye. Have a good night rest. Bye. Hope to see you guys in class. Send me a WhatsApp message and join us. Bye.